It's raining day and I want to sleep, and because of that it's very important to love what you do. I'm very excited about this day because today I will create the first game development tutorial for the first game of the 100 games project. When you have that opportunity to combine challenge with creativity and love, you will create something beautiful. Okay, so I just finished the first tutorial in a row, and the next one will be very interesting because we will import all those cool and creative things into our game. I love the 100 games project because I have the point A and the point B and a lot of different points between those main points. And if you want to achieve something, you need to have a laser focus, and those small points keep my focus on the place. So the first game dev tutorial was my first point, it's finished. Now the second point. So let's start. Oh, why not? Si, hu, pa, oh. Okay, so I just finished the second tutorial and I'm very satisfied because everything was faster than I thought. It means that I can put some new points between those small points. And I'm going to create the promo page for the 100 games project on the Gigantic DOS store. And for that page I will need a few different icons, so I can do that right now. Okay, let me check, come on. And this is my point. If you want to succeed with your art and your business, you need to do a lot of different things. I'm trying to create a lot of different things and create the same house for all those things, something like that. For example, I have my personal challenge. I want to post something almost every day on my social networks, and I can use those icons for that. Basically, it means that I want to punch 2 times with 1 movement. So, let's start. Okay, it's almost dark and I'm finished for today. I spent around 1 hour for the icon and I am very satisfied. Now I need to share the illustration through my social networks and I'm pretty done for today. I hope that you like it. Tomorrow I will continue with 100 games project and create one more tutorial for it. So, see you then. Peace. Okay, I don't know about you, but I'm ready like a gun, more like a rifle. I'm scared a bit because my to-do list is huge for today. It's gigantic. I need to create one more tutorial on a character movement for the 100 games project. I need to create at last one icon for the promo page, and I just started with 30 days challenge. The challenge is my personal project just for fun. My plan is to create 30 characters in 30 days, character per day. Then all those mails, clients, community, social networks, and so on and so on. And this will be my saving play. I just created a list of priorities. So the number 1 is tutorial for the 100 games project. I need to give something to people who support me. Then the list for 30 days challenge, social networks, and so on and so on and so on. But if I create something for the first and the second task, I'm happy. Okay, so I just finished the tutorial with basic movements of the character, and it's very smooth and it's amazing, I love it. But I know that it can be even better if I create an interaction with other objects. It will be a beautiful game, so I will do that in the next tutorial. and the list for 30 days challenge is created as well. Now when I have the list, it will be a lot of work, but in the same time it will be very interesting, and I am so excited to discover all those shapes and manifest all those characters and objects from the list. So I think that I will start with that at Monday. My goal was one icon, but I created 3 icons, and when I open Adobe Illustrator and start to work, I noticed that I want something different that I have on the paper. Sometimes it's hard to change something in the last moment, but this is the real creativity. You need to listen your inner voice, your intuition, and I decided to do that, and because of that, now I have 3 icons instead of 1. So I hope that you like it. Okay, so I'm pretty done for today. As you can see, I decided to document all my creative process and share that with you. It will be very hard because I already need more time for my illustrations and other works, plus this video. But I think that it's right way, so tell me in the comment down below, do you like the video? And anyway, stay tuned, because the best is yet to come. Peace. And if you want to watch the tutorials from the video, you can do that right now. I will show you how to illustrate, animate and develop a game without code. It's easy and mind-blowing. I want to thank you to my Patreon for the support, and you can be part of that beautiful story. So check out the link below and see you in the next video. Peace.